Game on! I'm bringing the cheers and the style this IPL season with my favorite teams and my favorite brand, Bella Vita Luxury. Step up your cheering game like Dinesh Karthik steps up his technique with Game Deodorants by Bella Vita Luxury in just 299. A bold and long lasting scent that sets you apart from the crowd. Be the most wanted like Virat Kohli with Dawn by Bella Vita Luxury. An oriental scent that will give you the confidence to be better every time. Be a bad boy like Rohit Sharma with Sin, a fragrance so good that not using it would be the ultimate sin. Get in the game and smell like a winner with Game, Dawn and Sin by Bella Vita Luxury, which offers affordable perfumes, long-lasting fragrances, and luxury packaging. Buy one and get one free in just rupees 299. Don't miss out on this. Go get yours.